Hey there, folks. Ready to dive into a fantastic opportunity for some extra income on YouTube? Well, this one's for all you amazing people in the rug cleaning and carpet cleaning business. If you're a carpet cleaner or own a cleaning business, this video is tailor-made for you. Let me introduce you to the Mountain Rug Cleaning YouTube channel. Oh my goodness. It's got a whopping 1.74 million subscribers, and guess what? They've achieved this incredible feat with just 215 videos. James is the magician behind this channel, and rug cleaning is his game. He simply records his day-to-day work and shares it on YouTube. That's it. Can you believe it? Millions of views on his videos, and it's not rocket science. You can do it too. Just set up your mobile phone, hit record, and start sharing your work. Now let's talk dollars and cents, shall we? Oh wow. According to Social Blade, James is raking in anywhere from $1,600 to a jaw-dropping $2,600 per month in YouTube ad revenue. On average, that's around $14,000 per month. It's simply amazing, and it's all extra income on top of his rug cleaning business. Trust me, sometimes that extra income could be yours too. So why wait? Get started today. Next up, we've got the Change Cleaning Services YouTube channel. They typically upload 2 videos a week. It's such an easy gig. Just record and upload. But here's the kicker. They're getting millions of views. Their videos are incredibly satisfying, and people can't stop watching. You could cash in on this too and earn thousands of dollars. Oh my goodness. This channel pulls in up to $22,600 per month. I'm pretty sure they're making at least $12,000 per month. And here's the best part. You don't even have to show your face. You can run a faceless YouTube channel. Last but not least, I've got a small but mighty channel for you, Change Cleaning Service Center. They may have 173,000 subscribers, but don't let that number fool you. The views are incredible. With their most popular video hitting a whopping 8 million views. That's why I'm showcasing this channel. It's an incredible opportunity. Now, let's talk moolah. This small channel is making anywhere from $900 to $15,000 per month, and I'd bet they're making at least $8,000 per month. And just remember, this is only from showing ads on their videos. You can make money in so many other ways, like promoting affiliate products and earning commissions, or selling your own products like rugs, carpets, high-pressure guns, and cleaning chemicals. The possibilities are endless. And here's the best part. You don't need fancy camera equipment. Your trusty mobile phone will do the trick. So why not seize this opportunity today? Just hit that record button while you're doing what you do best, cleaning, and start sharing. No more excuses. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stick around. I'll be bringing you more fantastic YouTube channel ideas like these. Until next time.